Hi, welcome to my channel, that is Webonsky. So today we will learn how to install free SSL on our Ubuntu server or any Linux server, and we will see here for Apache. So we will be installing free SSL on Apache server. As we all know that SSL is very important for any website. So everybody want to install SSL on website whenever he is willing to start a new online business or any other online website want to start, then SSL is very must and required nowadays. So let's see today how we will install a free SSL without spending any amount of price. So let's start how to get install free SSL on our Apache server. We have a number of steps. You can go through one by one as I will let you know here. So you will get your SSL installed on your server as well without spending any amount. First of all, you will need to update your package manager of Ubuntu. So this is the command for that, and then you will need to install this package and sudo opt get install apache certport, and then stop the apache first. So these are the steps you will need to follow first, and then you will need to start installing your SSL on particular domain. So this is the command to mention that, and here you will need to use your own domain name. So just change the name here and you will be able to install it. So don't leave it here, just use your domain here. For example, I have taken as example.com, so you can use your own domain like abc.com. Here I assume that you already have installed Apache, so I didn't mention how to install Apache or something. You can take a reference to my other videos where I have explained how to install Apache web server. So here I am more specific to installing SSL on our web server. After getting these all things installed, you will need to go to your uh, Apache configuration file, where you will need to specify the path of your certificate files. And and I am taking as a default example. So everybody will have a default -ssl.conf file in Apache server. So you can get this file from this path, sudo etc Apache site available, then default -ssl. This is the default SSL file which is already there in Apache server. Open this file and you can specify the path of your certificates. So by default it goes to etc letsencrypt folder, and just take care of this name only, and it will start like applying your SSL certificate on the website. This is the only step that is very important to take care. And one thing you can see that this is a 443 port. So you will open this. You will, when once you open this file, you will get some code something like this. I have removed other code, just I am showing just for example, so that you can place your code inside your host, virtual host. So you may have other codes there, but this is the important file that you need to copy and paste, and check whether you have these files inside this folder or not, so just to verify. Otherwise, if it is completely same, then you will it will get installed without any problem. After placing this code in your default -ssl conf file, you need to enable SSL on your server. This is the module, Apache module. First, you will need to enable it, and then enable this site configuration, Apache configuration. For that, you need to execute this command, sudo a2 inside default -ssl. Once you do these two commands, it will then your Apache your website will start listening on the SSL 443 port, and then you can test here with this example. and you will be able to, if the SSL has installed properly, you will be able to access your website on this URL. To redirect all your traffic to your SSL website, what will need to do is you just go to this default SSL default Apache configuration file and open it, and then place this line of code and just below the server alias, and rename with your exact domain here, and just copy and paste this line of code and change your domain, and then restart Apache. After doing this, all your traffic will start redirecting to your SSL website. Whenever you will try to open it with HTTP, it will redirect to HTTPS automatically. After all these steps, you can verify whether your SSL is installed on your domain or not. You can use this website and just replace with your domain name, and that is it. So these are the very important steps. You can go through it, and if you want to check all those steps in more detail, you can refer this blog. So here, if you already have installed Apache, so you can skip this line of code and follow the same. Hopefully it will solve your problem and you will be able to install the SSL on your Apache web server. And don't get confused whether it is for only DigitalOcean. It is not only for DigitalOcean, it is for all the Ubuntu servers wherever you want to install SSL. So there is just you need to have a Apache server, and then you can install this free SSL on that server. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.